This is the Snap Pixy. It is Snap's first camera drone and one of many camera products that they offer in addition to an app for your phone. This just came today. I just unboxed it and I'll kind of show you guys what's inside. This is the case for itself. I also purchased a couple spare batteries for it. The reason for that is because it has a fairly short flight time. I think it has something like a few minutes of flight time, and it does like 5 flights. So you can expect somewhere between 5 and 10 minutes of flight time. It's fairly low. So this is the drone itself. It's extremely small and lightweight. I haven't taken it off the packaging quite yet because I haven't done that. This is the introductory pack documentation. There's kind of tells you how to set it up, and then this is regulatory stuff for drones, US and Europe, and then you have the battery and the charging cable, and then you have this bumper, and then you also have a little strap here for carrying it around. That way you don't have to have it in a case, and you can kind of walk around with it and get drone shots. In addition to that, I purchased a rapid charger, which is it actually has a dual battery charging in it, and it also has Type-C. So you can actually charge 2 batteries very quickly, and that way you always have a few batteries ready to go, and you don't have to worry about running out of power. You can also, if you just purchase this, it does come with the 1 battery, and you need to charge it through here, and then the battery kind of just slots right into there. You still use the Snapchat app, and yeah, that's kind of it. I haven't had a chance to try it out yet. It came fairly late today, so I won't be able to try it till tomorrow when there's daylight. But these do sell, I think, for around $200. I think I paid a little over $200 because I wanted to have the extra batteries. You can go to the Pixy website and verify the pricing, but it's about $200. I think it depends on if you just get the drone or if you get like the package like this. But I'm very excited to use it, and I hope to be able to give you guys a review fairly soon.